We've got an upper body cool down, 12 stretches, 40 seconds each. Get on your mat and let's get started with thread the needle. While on all fours, raise one arm up towards the ceiling, then lowering it down and slide it under your chest, reaching across your body, and lower your shoulder towards the floor. Hold for a couple of seconds and repeat. Now let's repeat on the other side. Get into a seated position, lift your left arm overhead, bending at your elbow so that your left hand reaches down your back. Use your right hand to gently press against your left elbow back until you feel a stretch. Nice work, let's work the other side. Clasp both of your hands behind your back, gently straighten your arms and lift them slightly while opening your chest, pulling your shoulders back. Give your arms and chest a good stretch. Now lay on your mat, have your left knee bent with your right arm assisting to push it down slightly. Have your left arm go the opposite direction. Keep your shoulders relaxed on the ground and feel the stretch. Let's switch sides and repeat. Let's move onto all fours again. As you inhale, drop your belly towards your mat. while lifting your chest and looking forward. Then as you exhale, round your back while tucking your chin in. Move slowly between the two and focus on your breathing. While on all fours, lower your chest towards the mat, keeping your arms straight. Hold this position and breathe and relax. Lay down on your stomach now with your legs extended back, feet pressing against the mat. Press into your palms to lift your chest up while keeping your hips and legs on the mat. Move into a seating position and then bring one leg forward with the knee bent in front of you. Extend the other leg backwards, keeping it straight. Square your hips and hold. And you can fold forward for a deeper stretch if you prefer. Let's repeat on the other side and we'll be done shortly. That's it for the cooldown. I hope you feel amazing. Every day in your schedule you complete is a step forward, so take a second to be proud of yourself for showing up and reaching the end today. Have a great day guys, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!